Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday I bought my first ever action camera, GoPro9. I paid around 700 New Zealand dollars for this. So I'm very excited with this purchase and can't wait to shoot some videos on GoPro9. So far all my travel videos I've been shooting on iPhone 7. In fact, this video currently I'm also shooting on iPhone 7 and I must say quality isn't too bad. So now let's unbox this GoPro9 and see what it has got inside. So that's the box, and the first thing you notice is Hyper Smooth 3.0 stabilization. And it has got 20 megapixel camera and you can shoot 5K, 4K videos, and it's also waterproof up to 10 meters inside the water. And you can also do 1080p live streaming. Let's check other features. It has got voice control, slow motion, and some other features. So let's open this box. So it comes with a good quality case. Now let's see what's inside. So there you go, it has got camera, charger, some mounting accessories, and some brochures. Cool. So there you go, that's GoPro9. The major difference between GoPro9 and all other previous GoPro is you can see there is a front screen. So it's really helpful if you are making travel vlogs shooting yourself. Now just this buying GoPro is not enough. And on top of it you have to make some other purchases which are essential. Dual battery charger. It comes with one extra battery and this dual charger, because I have heard that you run out of battery very quickly with GoPro9. Although in GoPro9 they are saying that the battery performance has been enhanced compared to previous GoPros. So another thing I had to buy was this product. Basically it's a grip to mount your GoPro while shooting, and also it comes with an extension so you can use it as a selfie stick, and also it has got a tripod, as you can see. And another thing also you need to buy separately is this micro SD card. I have bought 128 GB just to start with, but if I feel that it's not enough, I may end up buying another one. So enough of the talks, now let's shoot some videos on this GoPro9 and see how it comes out. So what are we going to shoot first with our GoPro9? Luckily I live in Auckland, which is the biggest city of New Zealand. So with my GoPro I'm going to take you through to some landmark locations of Auckland. I'll be mounting my GoPro on my car. Let's go and have a look. So goodbye iPhone. Welcome GoPro. So first of all we are heading to a beach called Mission Bay. Mission Bay Beach. It's one of the most popular beaches in Auckland, and today, as you can see, it's a bright sunny day out in Auckland. This destination is really popular among Aucklanders and also any tourist who comes to New Zealand. The good thing is this place is not very far from the city, so it would take you like probably 15-20 minutes if you are traveling from the central part of the Auckland. now from here we are going to go to the Auckland CBD. The route is known as Tamaki Drive and it's such a beautiful drive. Really want to show you guys the drive where the road is parallel to the ocean and I just love it. Here we are at Auckland CBD. As you can see, there are tall buildings everywhere. These are mainly apartments, hotels and also commercial buildings. Due to lots of commercial activity, Auckland CBD is also considered as a commercial hub for the Auckland City. Show you the most famous and tallest building of Auckland and probably New Zealand too, the Sky Tower. So here we are, standing just beneath the Sky Tower and you can see behind me. So it's the evening time of Auckland and now we are on a motorway. Motorway connects different parts of Auckland and it's a faster way to travel within Auckland. And it's the sunset time in Auckland.